Hey friends, Andy here. I want to talk to you about something that changed the way I think about work, income, and freedom. Digital marketing. And not just in theory, but how everyday people with zero experience are using it to create an income that they can control. Listen, if you've been curious about building something online, but you've been overwhelmed by all the moving parts, or maybe even been burned by some of those shiny objects out there, like all of us, stick with me. I'm going to break this down for you in plain English and share the system that's been a game changer for me. Legacy builders. First, let's strip away the jargon. At its core, digital marketing is simply the process of promoting a product or service online to the right audience at the right time in the right way. So instead of running ads in newspapers on TV, you're using tools like social media, email, and websites to connect directly to people who want what you're offering. Think about it. Every time you scroll Facebook and see an ad or something you've been Googling, or you watch TikTok and it ends with click the link in the bio, that is digital marketing at its core and in action. And here's the best part. You don't have to create your own products to start. You can partner with companies who have already built great products, and you become the bridge between those products and the people who need them. That's what's called affiliate marketing, and it's one of the fastest ways to start earning online income without reinventing the wheel. Now here's the truth most gurus don't tell you. Some people who try digital marketing fail. It's not because they're lazy or not smart enough. It's because they jump in without a plan and without the right training and without a clear system. They end up spinning their wheels, posting random things on social media and trying a little of this, a little of that, and then wondering why nothing is working. When I first started, I was overwhelmed. I didn't have a background in tech. I wasn't some marketing pro. I was just looking for a way to create income without having to go back into the 9-to-5 grind. What turned it around for me was getting access to a step-by-step blueprint, a clear path that showed me what to focus on first, what to ignore, and how to build something sustainable. That's where Legacy Builders came in. Now guys, Legacy Builders is an e-learning program designed for beginners and even for people who have tried before but never saw results. It's not just a course, it's a complete system. You get a ready-to-go website, you're not stuck in the tech weeds, you get training modules that teach you how to market even if you've never done it before, and you get automation tools so you can earn while you live your life. Daily mentorship from people who are already successful in this place comes with it too. So instead of figuring out everything on your own, you plug into a proven process and focus your energy on the activities that actually make money. For me, it meant going from no clue where to start, so I can do this in a matter of weeks. And over time, that confidence grew into consistency, and that consistency started building income. So why is now the time to start? Right now, digital marketing is bigger than ever. Businesses are shifting more of their budgets online every year, and people are shopping from their phones more than from physical stores. The sooner you start, the sooner you get to build something that works for you. Whether that's a side income to help with bills or a full-time income that lets you step away from the traditional grind. But here's the key. You have to take that first step. And I've learned that opportunities don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is when you decide you're ready. So, if you're tired of just thinking about building something for yourself and you're ready to actually start, Legacy Builders gives you the tools, the training, and the mentorship to make it happen. You don't have to know everything. I didn't. You just have to be willing to learn and take consistent action. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll respond to them personally. Remember, you can't change your past, but you can absolutely create your future, and it starts with taking that first step. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.